हेलो, मैं हूं मंदिरा बेदी एंड वेलकम टू LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016। मेरे साथ हैं क्विज मास्टर आदित्य नाथ मुबाई। LIC जैसे कि आप जानते हैं इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है और उन्होंने कंप्लीट किए हैं 60 स्पार्कलिंग ईयर्स। इस डायमंड जुबली को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए उन्होंने आयोजित किया है ये क्विज LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016। LIC ने हर कड़ी पे आपका ख्याल रखा है, बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक, पढ़ाई से लेकर सेहत तक, हर कदम पे आपका साथ दिया।
और इस प्रोग्राम के जरिए LIC ने कोशिश की है देश के स्मार्ट युवा माइंड्स को पहचानने की। अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं LIC स्मार्ट युवा, तो आपको करना होगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज के सिटी राउंड्स को पार।
सिटी राउंड्स की अग्नि परीक्षा के बाद ऑल रोड्स लीड टू मुंबई फॉर द सेमीफाइनल्स एंड फाइनल्स, और उनमें से जो विनिंग टीम होगी उनके सर पे सजेगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज का ताज। उन्हें मिलेंगे आकर्षक इनाम और सर्टिफिकेट। Here we are for the city round of Bhopal. Let's meet the teams. शुरू करते हैं with IIM इंदौर।
Hi, this is Devansh Gupta from IIM Indore.
Hi, I am Mahendra Mohandas from IIM Indore.
Welcome. Moving on to MNNIT Allahabad.
Hi, I am Saqib Javed from NIT Allahabad.
Hi, this is Nitin Bansal from MNNIT Allahabad.
More woman power.
This is Sneha and Ibrahim from Manit Bhopal.
Hi, I am Harshit Sejra from Manit Bhopal.
NLIU Bhopal.
Hi, I am Probal Dev from NLIU Bhopal. Hi, I am Milind Ghosh from NLIU Bhopal.
पहला जो राउंड है इसे कहते हैं द नीड फॉर स्पीड। ये एक स्पीड राउंड है। 30 सेकंड्स में आपसे सवाल पूछे जाएंगे। ट्राई एंड अटेम्प्ट एज मेनी एज यू कैन। इसमें कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, तो यू कैन रेस्ट अश्योर्ड, यू कैन टेक अ गेस, यू कैन पास, यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर। ट्राई एंड अटेम्प्ट एज मेनी एज पॉसिबल। सो लेट्स सी हाउ द भोपाल सिटी राउंड फेयर्स इन नीड फॉर स्पीड। हम शुरू करेंगे आई आपके साथ। Your time starts now.
Who was the first vice president of the United States to become the president?
Pass.
To which country did the legendary tennis player Bjorn Borg belong?
Belgium.
Which political party has an oil lantern as its election symbol?
Pass.
With whom did Jack Smith found the Hotmail web service in 1997? With 30 to 40, started, you can take this. With 30 to 40 million annual visitors, which temple is said to be the most visited in the world? Quickly.
Jagannath.
Is incorrect.
IMI आपने 5 सवाल अटेम्प्ट किए। आपने अपना खाता अनफॉर्चुनेटली खोला नहीं है क्योंकि अभी तक आपने एक भी सही जवाब नहीं दिया।
The answers to the ones you missed. The first vice president of the United States to become the president was the first vice president, John Adams. Bjorn Borg belonged to Sweden, not Belgium. The political party with an oil lantern as its election symbol, the Lalten as it is called locally, is the Rashtriya Janata Dal. Sabir Bhatia founded Hotmail along with Jack Smith in 1997, and the temple which is said to be the most visited in the world is the Tirumala Venkateswara temple in Tirupati, also called Tirupati Balaji Mandir.
MNNIT, here's a chance for you to get up to 60 or 70 points. तो MNNIT आपका समय शुरू होता है अब।
With its last eruption recorded in 2007, which is the only active volcano in India,
Paranali.
is correct. Of which reality show was the Mumbai-born Abhijit Sawant the first winner?
Indian Idol.
Is correct. Which classic novel recounts the story of Hori Mehto and his wife Dhania?
Pass.
What is the aircraft used for transporting the US president called?
Air Force One.
Is correct. Which product was launched by Apple in the USA on 29 June 2007?
iPhone.
Is correct. Which I've started in the, then you can take that. Which temple in Odisha is in the shape of a 12-wheeled chariot drawn by 7 horses?
Jagannath Puri.
Is incorrect.
You zoomed up to 40 in the first round itself. That's a great start. Aditya will fill you in on the questions you didn't get right.
The classic novel about Hori Mehto and his wife Dhanya is Munshi Premchand's Godan. The temple in Odisha, which is in the shape of a 12-wheeled chariot
Yes, we
drawn
knew
by
it.
7 horses. You knew it, Konark Sun Temple.
आपने बहुत बढ़िया शुरुआत की. 40 points is a great start. We haven't seen too many
Excellent,
teams
yeah.
open with 40 points इस पहले राउंड में, जिसे कहते हैं नीड फॉर स्पीड. अब देखते हैं आपकी नीड फॉर स्पीड कैसी है. Time now for Managed Bhopal to answer their set of questions in Need for Speed. Your time starts now.
Which African country was ruled from 1969 to 2011 by Colonel Muammar Gaddafi?
Pass.
Which temple from Tanjavur featured on a postage stamp to commemorate 1,000 years of its founding?
Pass.
What name is common to a Tata concept car and a Google Android phone launched this year?
Pass.
Which city is represented by the Paltan in the Pro Kabaddi League?
Pune.
Is correct. And
Ooh, almost saved by the bell. आदित्य आपको बताएंगे कि आपने जिन सवालों को पास किया उनके जवाब क्या थे.
the African country ruled from 1969 to 2011, that's a long tenure, by Colonel Muammar Gaddafi, is Libya. The temple from Tanjavur famous for only one large temple, that is the Brihadeswara temple. And the name common to a Tata concept car and a Google Android phone launched earlier this year is Pixel.
Moving on now to NLIU. शुरुआत होती है अब.
Which city is represented by the Bulls in the Pro Kabaddi League?
Pass.
Who founded the Forward Bloc as a faction in the Indian National
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Is correct. Released in 2008, which is the official app store for Android devices?
Google Play.
Is correct. Which leader's statue in front of Somnath temple acknowledges his contribution towards its rebuilding?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Is correct. In which country would you find the Suez Canal?
Egypt.
Is correct. How do we better know the musician Sean Corey Carter?
Jay-Z.
Is correct.
Excellent. That was brilliant. इतने सारे सिटी राउंड्स में मेरे ख्याल से ये तो बेस्ट
One of the
परफॉर्मेंस रहा है.
best, definitely.
Well done. Big round of applause.
So,
50 points.
and I don't need to give them the answer to the one that they passed because they knew that as well.
We can take a look at the scores. IMI yet to open its account. Manit saved by the bell almost with that 10 points. MNNIT at 40 or NLIU with that brilliant first round performance which got them 50 points. बहुत बढ़िया. हम बढ़ रहे हैं हमारे दूसरे राउंड की तरफ जिसे कहते हैं मेरी मर्जी. ये एक बहुत ही हाई स्कोरिंग राउंड है और यहाँ पे टीम्स को मौका दिया जाता है टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ देयर चॉइस. हम आपको दिखाएंगे एक ग्रिड जिसमें होंगे 8 सब्जेक्ट्स एंड यू चूज द सब्जेक्ट दैट यू आर मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल इन, दैट यू थिंक यू नो द मोस्ट अबाउट. और उस हिसाब से हम आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे. 3 सवाल पूछेंगे आपसे. They're worth 20, 40 and the last question is worth 60 if you get the first 2 right. इसका मतलब है कि आप इस राउंड में up to 100 points score कर सकते हैं. You can score up to 100 points in this very high scoring round. We are going to start with the team which is currently at the lowest level. IMI आपने अपना खाता नहीं खोला तो हम आपको choice देंगे to make the playing field a little more level. To choose from all these 8 subjects, these are the subjects that you can choose from.
Oscar Awards.
Oscar Awards. All right, here goes. First question for IMI on the Oscar Awards. Who was the host of the 88th Academy Awards ceremony held in February this year?
Chris Rock.
IMI, your answer is absolutely correct. You get yourself 20 points. दूसरा जो सवाल है ये एक ऑडियो विजुअल क्लिप पर आधारित है तो अपने स्क्रीन की तरफ देखिए. Which Roman emperor has been portrayed as a villainous character in this film? The name of the emperor.
The movie is Gladiator from 2000.
Discuss it
I don't
with each
suppose
other.
this is something you can get.
Yeah. This guy is the son of Caesar,
Who Caesar?
the Roman emperor.
Nope, that's not the correct answer.
Marcus Aurelius.
Marcus Aurelius was the father.
The correct answer is Commodus. Oh, come on. Win yourself another 20 points by answering this question correctly. Which was the last black and white film to win an Oscar in the Best Picture category?
The Artist.
The artist.
The Artist. Is that a guess or are you sure?
I guess.
I forgot.
Well, that's a very good guess. Well done. That got you
In the nick
another
of
20
time.
points. You shot up to 40 points. So now we move on to Manit, because you were at 10 points in the last round. So you get the next choice. Which of these 7 subjects is the one that you'd like to go with?
Indian business houses.
Indian business houses. All right.
And 3 questions coming up for you. The first one. Which flagship brand of the Future Group was renamed as Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited in 2016?
Max.
Max. Max is not a Future Group flagship brand by any stretch of the imagination, I'm afraid, Manit. The correct answer there is Pantaloons. Pantaloons. Kishore Biani would not be very happy. Your next question is a video clip. Take a look at this. Famous destructive batsman of the 1970s and 80s. Which brand is he endorsing?
Kingfisher.
Not Kingfisher. It's only Vimal. Okay, well, that was 2 strikes down, and you still have a third question to go, Manit. 20 points if you can get this one.
Come on, this 20 points is yours.
Which Indian conglomerate was founded in 1736 by Lavji Nasarwanji Dash when he secured contracts from the British East India Company to build ships and docks in Bombay, now Mumbai? Go for it.
Sir, Tata.
Tata. It's not the Tatas, I'm afraid, but a good try. The Wadias. The Wadia Group, Wadias of Bombay Dyeing. So Manit,
Sadly, you haven't been able to score in this round when this could have been a big scorer for you. Moving on to the third team in the order that we're going in. आपको choice मिलता है इन 6 subjects में से. क्या चुनेंगे आप?
We'll go with explorers.
Explorers. आपने चुना है Explorers. तो MNNIT इलाहाबाद. आपके सवाल ये रहे. Here's your first question. Which country's highest mountain is named for Captain James Cook, who explored it in 1770?
Australia.
आपने कहा ऑस्ट्रेलिया, पर ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास जो
island country है.
आइलैंड कंट्री है, वो था सही जवाब. न्यूजीलैंड was the correct answer. It was close, geographically close, but unfortunately that doesn't give you the 20 points that you need over here. आपका दूसरा जो सवाल है ये ऑडियो विजुअल सवाल है. So take a look at your screens. Which famous explorer's 708th birthday was commemorated by this Google Doodle?
Ibn Battuta.
Right on. Okay, well done. You got yourself 20 points. You can get yourself another 20 if you get this particular question's answer correct. Which channel linking the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans between the mainland tip of South America and Tierra del Fuego Island is named for a Portuguese explorer?
Strait of Malacca.
Part of it that sounds right, but it's not the correct answer. It's Strait of Magellan.
Straits of Magellan.
Magellan. Well, anyway, you got yourself 20 points in this round. It's not like you didn't score anything, so not bad for Meri Marzi. And it's time now to move to the last team in this round.
NLIU.
NLIU. You have these 5 subjects to choose from. What would be your choice?
Time travel.
Time travel.
Time travel. Your first question. Which writer had explored the concept of time travel in his short story, The Chronic Argonauts, before writing the famous novel, The Time Machine?
H.G. Wells.
Yep,
H.G.
you knew that right from...
Is correct. You can pick up 20 points again if you can give me the correct answer to the question that accompanies this video clip. Take a look at your screens and then we'll ask you the question. Okay, Technology of the Future, a film about time travel. The film was called Back to the Future. Which year in the future was Marty McFly transported to in this film? In this film, Marty McFly goes into the future. To which year does he go when people are moving around on hoverboards?
2015.
2015. And they had hoverboards. Well, 2015 keeps the chances of them picking up 100 points in this round alive. It is the correct answer.
Well done! That was brilliant. That was really, really brilliant.
Just so there's no pressure at all on you guys, the next question is worth 60 points. And here it is. Who is revealed to be the poltergeist in Murphy's room in the film Interstellar? Yeah, the name of the character. In the film Interstellar, fantastic film also, about space-time travel.
Cooper.
I'll give it to you. Joseph Cooper, it is. Fantastic.
आपका जो तीसरा चॉइस था आपके लिए बिल्कुल सही चॉइस रहा. आपने 100 पॉइंट हासिल किए हैं इस राउंड में. That is just brilliant.
Fantastic.
Okay, that
Excellent.
brings us to the end of मेरी मर्जी. कभी-कभी किसी की तीसरी मर्जी उनकी सही मर्जी निकल आती है.
जयपुर में भी ऐसे ही हुआ था.
जी. Let's take a look at the scores before we enter the third round itself. We have Manit at 10 points, IMI at 40, MNNIT at 60, and NLIU soaring ahead at 150 points thanks to that brilliant performance in Meri Marzi. Of the last city rounds as well, एक buzzer round है. 60 seconds में सवाल पूछे जाएंगे. These questions are open to all of you. You press the buzzer, gain 10 points if you get it right. If you get it wrong, या अगर आपने buzzer दबाया और pass कहा, तो negative marking होगा. It'll be 10 points minus from your account. Okay, all the questions are for all 4 teams. So get ready because your time starts now.
Which recipient of the Bharat Ratna in 1992 was the son? Team B.
Maulana Azad.
Incorrect. What name did Hindustan Motors give to their licensed version of the Morris Oxford? Team B
Ambassador.
is correct. Of which European football club is the former player Luis Enrique the current manager? Team A
Barcelona.
is correct. Which novelist is famous for books like The Firm, A Time to Kill? Team D
John Grisham.
is correct. Who was the Minister of Finance when Indian economy was liberalized in 1990? Team B
Manmohan Singh.
is correct. Which Austrian-born actor was the governor of California from 2003? Team B
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
is correct.
So that brings us to the end of Power of 60 and the end of this city round. हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे सुरेंद्र सिंह चापलोट जी को, सीनियर डिविजनल मैनेजर LIC भोपाल. अब सारे रास्ते बढ़ते हैं मुंबई की तरफ सेमीफाइनल्स और फाइनल्स के लिए. लेकिन ये जो सिटी राउंड्स हैं they've come to an end. बहुत मज़ा आया. कुछ टीम्स ने, कुछ शहरों ने हमें बहुत सरप्राइज किया. क्यों आदित्य?
बिल्कुल. जवाब, सवाल, we've explored the country through different aspects, both in the questions and even more importantly, जो जवाब हमें मिले उन questions के लिए. It's been a fantastic journey of discovery for us.
Discovery and surprises, they continue in the semi-finals and finals in Mumbai.
The city of dreams.
Absolutely. अभी के लिए हम दोनों की तरफ से it's goodbye and we're going to see you in Mumbai.
Namaskar.